Welcome. Today we will look at updated commands to get upload to ModIO directly from Unity by Tobbert, added to the minimal mod setup. With this update, we have a new upload ModIO package command, or pipeline as they are called. And we have a Timberborn TimberKit ModIO uploader that's added. So if you don't have that in your project folder, you have to copy that over to be able to continue. We will also need to create some files. And you don't want these files to be uploaded. So think about where you put them. You need two files, ModIO out authentication, and you need one ModIO API. To get these two, we go to ModIO, go to your profile, and access. In here, you may need to press approve to accept their agreements. You copy their key, and I will use example or fake key because these should not be spread. Oops. There we go. Paste that in. We create a new token. Unity minimal. You can just name it Unity. And we want it to be read-write and create. And this string can only be gotten when we are creating it. So if you lose this key, you have to remove it and recreate it. And we go into authentication and paste in. We can now set up ThunderKit settings for ModIO config and browse those two files. Game ID is 3659. And there we go. We have set up those keys. And we have the new command. Now we need to prepare the storage box manifest and add the information fields to it. So we add a new ModIO data, double click on it, and we move it to the top and move it down one. Mod ID you can find on the mod page there. And then you write what version you want to upload. And you can set if it's live or not and set the description. And then when you want to upload, you just select build ModIO package and execute, and you should be done. If you have any problem, do contact me or Tobbert to try to diagnose it. Thank you for watching.